इतना मजा आ रहा होगा. पहले तो we apologize that the sound which is not clear. I think one of the thing is the skill of holding the mic the way I am holding. The kids are not holding, but remember they are learning, right? They are learning, so you need to be with us. Now, all of us, just for next few minutes, if you can remain a little quiet, then you can get the message which I am trying to get today. बच्चों से डांस कराना, ड्रामा कराना बहुत आसान होता है, बट उनको वेदम चैंटिंग कराना, संस्कृत में बात कराना, वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. हमने आसान काम बाकी लोगों के लिए छोड़ दिए हैं, जो डिफिकल्ट काम है हमने उनको अपना रखा है. तो हम लोग योगी गुरुकुल में जो सबसे टफ टास्क है वो है. तो आज जो ये हमारा हो रहा है इवेंट, यू शुड बी आस्किंग वन थिंग कि व्हाई दिस इवेंट, राइट? ये क्यों है ये इवेंट एंड व्हाट are we doing here? Why 11 courses, 84 students? How you did all this transformation? So the question I am going to ask you back today is one simple question. All of you have success in here in Ireland, which means success means you have a nice car, you have a good job, you have a mortgage, you have a good family, you have kids, and you are going on Lanzarote and holidays as well, right? So you have a successful life. So I have a question for you, very simple question. What percentage of this success you think belongs to you versus how much is your parents, and if there is anybody else involved? So let me ask this side. What is the ratio of your success? 100% parents. This side, who can tell me? 80-20. इधर से आप बोल सकते हैं. Anybody? Any guess? What's the success today you have? What percentage you give it to yourself? कितना बोला आपने? हम और ऊपर. So what we are getting is, whenever I ask this question, the answer I get is 80-20 roughly. So what that means is 20% success what I have today comes from me because of my hard work. 80% comes from my parents. So how about this? Ask the same question to your parents. What will be their answer? 80-20, 80%. How about ask their parents? 80%. How about if you keep asking this, where does it will stop? Can anybody tell where does it stop? It stops all the way back to 15,000 years Harappa Mohenjo-daro civilization, where this Sanatan Dharma has originated. Means the 80% success what you are saying today you have is because of this culture, tradition, everything coming along. And what we call that in a technical term, we call it IKS, Indian Knowledge System. So what is this Indian Knowledge System? This Indian Knowledge System is all about tracking your roots all the way back. So what I am simply asking is that what is that 80% your ancestors are passing down from one generation to another generation? As a result, you are successful here. What is that 80%? The 80% is the civilization. The 80% is the start with the first book of humanity called Vedas, the 4 Vedas. Then there's summary text called Upanishad. There are 220 plus of them, 108 principles. Then it goes to Ramayana, then Itihas, followed by Quran, 220 plus Quranic scripture, thousands of yoga texts, thousands of scientific literature, thousands and thousands and thousands of texts of Sanatan Dharma. In total, 10 million scriptures. 10 million. 10 million scriptures. What you call today the success what you have is because of this. So now let me prove you what you are and what others are. So when I say this Indian knowledge system, if you can see me here, see this here, this Indian knowledge system, this is the base. Based on your success comes. So what is next after the Indian knowledge system? This comes the Indian knowledge system. After that comes the civilization, what we call the nation Bharat. What is Bharat in reality? If you were born in Syria and Lebanon, in Ethiopia, Sudan, would you have got the same success? The answer is no, because you are an Indian, you are a Bharatiya, that's what you got. So whatever the knowledge system is developing in the ecosystem of Bharat, that is Bharatiya civilization. And what is after that? The next building block comes after that is the state, the language, the culture, the rites, the rituals you come from. If you're a Telugu, Malayalam, Marathi, whatever that is, that state you come from, that culture is specific to that, that is that next thing. After that comes the next one is the family, the unit of the family you are, the kutum, the parivar, whatever culture you grow. You have heard here, Pinak Sharma ji were here, Sanskrit scholar. His parents were Sanskrit teaching in their home every day. That culture, what you saw here today because of the family. So it's coming all the way. And the last on that is this, the self. Individual, what you call today. Now guess if I take any of the base out of this Indian knowledge system, it left with nothing. So what I'm essentially saying to you, the 80% knowledge what you have today, how selfish we have become today. Think about the selfishness of ourselves. I got all the house, car, mortgage, everything because of this. Right? 80%. My parents passed down to me. I got the benefit out of it. But I will not pass it down to the next generation. The impact, look at the impact. Only the civilization which comes from the Bharat. माँ बाप अपने जेवर गिरवी रख देते हैं, जमीन गिरवी रख देते हैं, पेंशन को गिरवी रख देते हैं, किस लिए? अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए। आप यहाँ पर आके देखो, कॉलेजों में, इंस्टीट्यूट में जाकर देखो, आपको पता चल जाएगा कितनी प्रॉब्लम्स है बच्चों को। This is the only civilization which has always put one thing up, knowledge, seek knowledge. अगर मास्टर्स, अगर बैचलर कर रहे हो तो मास्टर्स करो, मास्टर्स कर रहे हो तो पीएचडी करो। So this knowledge centric information, this knowledge centric culture, that is the core of our Indian knowledge system. इसीलिए आज मैं आपको एक नया वर्ड यहाँ पे देने जा रहा हूँ। वर्ड क्या है? यहाँ पे कई पेरेंट्स, lot of parents have come from India. Why did you bring your parents from India? Answer is there is a debt, there is a loan, there is a ऋण, पितृ ऋण, मातृ ऋण। आपने वो ऋण चुकाना है उनका, इसलिए आपने उनको यहाँ बुलाया है, तो उनको घुमा रहे हैं। इसके अलावा आपका दूसरा ऋण है, आप अपने बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हो, उनको अच्छी एजुकेशन दे रहे हो, ये बच्चों का ऋण है। इसके अलावा आप आरटी का लाइसेंस देते हो 160 यूरो का, वो भी एक ऋण है, उसकी भी आपको पता है। लेकिन there is another ऋण for this 80% knowledge. What is that? This is called the सभ्यता का ऋण, civilization debt. The civilization you belong to, this is your moral responsibility to pass it down from this generation to the next generation to the next generation. If you have taken the benefit out of it, what I am simply saying, 80%, this 80% has given you success in your life. It is your moral responsibility to ensure all this is passed down to the next life. So what are the three things I am telling you to walk out? If you walk out from this door after eating food here, after taking prasadam, I am asking you to do three things for me. Number one, I am asking you basically know what this Indian knowledge system is all about. These all the scriptures, all the rites, the rituals, and everything which follows with. You need to make sure you're following that. You have all the books, you have all the knowledge of the Indian knowledge system to the best you can. The second thing I'm asking you to develop sanskaras in your kid. What sanskar means? If your parents, when the way you grow up in India, if you are going in temple, they should come in temple. If you are wearing tilak, they should wear tilak. If you are reading Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, Quran, all these scriptures, they should also read this. Make sure they get the sanskaras. मेरी एक बात याद रख लेना, विदेशी मुर्गी कभी देसी अंडा नहीं देती है। अपने बच्चों को विदेशी बनाने के चक्कर में अगर पड़ोगे, कल को वो पैर नहीं छुएंगे आपके। जिस बच्चे ने सावित्री सत्यवान की स्टोरी नहीं सुनी है, वो बच्चा पेरेंट्स की कभी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करेगा। जिसने राजा हरिश्चंद्र की स्टोरी नहीं सुनी है, वो कभी भी राजा के धर्म को नहीं मान सकता। जिसने सुदामा कृष्ण की स्टोरी नहीं सुनी है, उसको मित्रता का भाव पता ही नहीं हो सकता। इसलिए संस्कार को देना है। आप भी योगी गुरुकुल को ज्वाइन करो, whether you join योगी गुरुकुल or not, whether you come to this temple or not, when you walk out of this door today, make sure Indian knowledge system. Number two, develop sanskara in your kid. And finally, make sure this civilization debt is your duty. सभ्यता का ऋण तुम्हारी ड्यूटी है। Thank you so much for coming.